Mama wakwaba midi ede adwoa search him mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel me notification bell no so for more news. On my penida da John Dramani Mahama ede ensebia tudwa afa eye honorable Muntaka na honorable Haruna Idrusu omo eho na ensema my penida da John Dramani Mahama eken na ne se enya de asenkofi onyomo wasem onyo bia ne ho tan and afin so emponi so man pende da John Dramani Mahama no oni ho a sa eye honorable Haruna Idrusu and na honorable Muntaka sen crofri on betimi kura ba be shana nan who knows say embre bi beba on betimi abetu franka de ama NDC amayoko no ma be ye president into no don ko gina ba bi nkom ho asem bone onyomu ni asem na dofo abro man pende da John Dramani Mahama e ka sensem no honorable Haruna Idrusu no te hobi na wo hwe nanim a video na etwagu no so we hu nanim se osi won sre waye kusu osje o ampenda da John Dramani Mahama na enim de waye dada na e wo sense mi mu e na El Lizato omo program omo host e wo abusua FM o chese ensem o ampenda da John Dramani Mahama e kam a the way honorable Haruna Idrusu to waye nanim no sisi o se hwana jawase wo de akotena be bi atwen adapa afi na baka chen se o payase wo payase hu na do fo hwe video ni so a the way a papa ti ho why steady one penda de kasa na osere kra nti El Lizato asema o kai say honorable Haruna Idrusu na o ka woni tirim no pepepe o hwa na ni buafu papa o so wa penda de for asem ko no ho na they working na enyampa na do fo yentie ensema e konso.
And I know that some people like conspiracy theories and this one doesn't like this one and this one are quarreling. Count me out. I have no enemy in the northern region. All of them are my younger brothers. Hudu Yaya and Co started it. And then we are the next generation after Hudu and Co. And I know that Haruna and all of them are the next generation after us. We will finish and hand over the power to them. They would lead us. And so let us all be together. Those who have been putting out conspiracy theories, hiding and recording tapes and insulting everybody. If you are a true NDC, what you are doing is rather dividing the party, not uniting it. If you are a true NDC and you are hiding and you are recording audios insulting your fellow NDC, then what you are doing is you are dividing the party, you are not uniting the party. And so we are united. There is no problem between us. And we're going to work together. We're going to win the election of 2024 and we're going to put Ghana back on its feet. I thank you very much. Now,
I was shed out to Haruna Idrusu Muna.
Caption in
I
caption in
Tia 70 year Muna. Yes, Tia 70 year. I said my Canadian year. Was it? So Dora John Dramani Mahama. Na a whole person John Mahama be president to be moi. Only the NDC near no Yajan. Yes, only NDC near no Yajan. And NDC near only John Mahama fan. Only didn't attempt. Because at the end of the John Mahama, oh, Yansa, if more Jimmy, or Yano Pesto did the attempt, John Mahama, who's for Yajuma.
That's right.
Obuha, Redway, over my friend, did the attempt, no record, no, the Quenya money be crack. Oh, yes. And he pay you beyond Sweden and then any much. Tenya Sama John Mahama, me say, oh, what John Dramani Mahama can say, you feed that. I will go deep in. Some years back, was say, Nipa Pia, or be catcher and say, I'm one more critical problem, no. No, I have video no deep in the no channel what is sending call for.
And I am
Zet mineral water, open super papa no dear, one will be black man, penny for sending what to other one when we send a diaco crudge, someone who was sold an old lady before knows the price of an old man. Zet mineral water, this size, Ghana, ha. The great Obibini black man shall say so yin soon in since 1987. Me patrona yen sa Ghana bako se me bin see the brukutu. Ana brukutu no me say, when no matter say, no ultimately correct. Na a dear bakwane and one power brukutu no say. Na ultimately chena mu yang wani free mu openyini bi wa shante ready did na tem and I say the bia me ba bia no did matem nya ne den obi e kasa na ne maame ne papa ni mu nyansa it reflect on nipa no yes was it entity ya wunya ye no yes was it entity ya wunya ye no and the bet you said the peninatum and the peninatum. Sassimo camera fida. Tina John Mameka. Was see we are yen be here or Donia Sumji. And Tinipana who didn't attempt on it because only John Mahama Fano. Said your mamma, we need to say, I'm not catching the same and come on me with power.
Just more careful, say, yeah, Haruna do today.
I did do so Munan what I said, I say, she could cry, she wouldn't. And this was kind of one minute to my that's how one man called 5 years, Miriam Kevin tell him what the
we meet him some more the 2 hours.
Yes, the patrimony when it be an auditor. Why when the social media, oh, how when you have ISIS 5?
Facebook,
ISIS 5, oh, how? Enti owa John Dramani mama go je ne de shikonkron say wo dona say wo pena semo a only di obi atem because of ono
there be
ono obi any problem but obi say Haruna dus mu anu ntete o mo rough
nukre
oni di mu ntaka mu atem oni di penyini bi atem wo party nim enti John Dramani mama say sansem na nkofo keka no enya nukre ono obi ani asem what you say open John Mahama sempa uni obi atem because of ono moment John Mahama you understand
me be some if NDC didn't do that because they claim they had all the pink sheets I'm call pink sheet ba kokra bai me be some mo amugina wa ma besima no be jimi no me say it just a simple question where just simple NDC for call service call 2020 no pink sheet to ko no mo so omukura no omutumi de ba kokura kire Ghana for enso no mo se Ghana for nkokunkoku ho ene wa wo so mo to sa ben ene wa mo ko ene me hu videos and grofo send me na me sere I tell you people say kwesi mu hu me say ba me nya kwa o aje manfama no anka mo ho mpa ye I'm very serious because my spirituality is on a different level utie my spirituality is on a different level. Se me bie ma no na me bom pa ya nyame otie. Sister Cynthia, you were on this platform when I told you say ebre bi beba Marie Buadu Kevin Taylor Sami Jenfini San Krofo we on be come mutia bomu ayeden akon. They would expose themselves because they are almost by ya no mo person omo di gu aban ne hu fi no. It wasn't correct. It was out of malice. Marie Buadu so person ofre Akufo-Addo say be nabusia mu by force. Oso ye check e kra na ye do be ware e na nya fie ho so na ufi. Enu ni ntino wa fa papa ho tan. Kevin Taylor say just say ba onu ne kura speaker ne ade e video ndi e say be MPP fo ntino ye ba ye ne ye man information ye de amakojo opon kroma ne bu afu. Because obi otumi gina simpie so dum so time. E ka kire wi ase amansani na one ne yere no the most useless president Ghana has ever produced is Mahama. Today, Mahama changes dollars and send it to the same person that called him a useless president while he was on the throne. Someone who contributed to the reason why Ghanaians voted against Mahama. But because he's a weak leader in the mind. Because Mahama is a Boka president. He still wakes up and out of the evil mind that was born out of him, he goes to take money and gives to Kevin Taylor. And today you people are seeing what is happening. These people had no evidence in court about this election. Now, so Marie Buadu stood on a platform and said, insurrection now, America for the first time, America was about to get a coup d'etat. There was a coup d'etat was in for the first time because of Trump.